Why would some of you gamble on some dumb shit when all you've done was do good? Why are you considering stuff that you've never considered before? Why are you getting out of your strategy, taking your strength and throwing it away and playing in a game? Why are you not sticking to the plan? It's because you're tired. You know the Snicker commercials? Oh, you're not the same when you're hungry. People act crazy when they're hungry. How about when they're tired? I'm not one to play with when I'm tired. If I wake up bad, oh, that's it. You know, some days I can entertain the bullshit. Oh, you get me when I'm tired? Oh, no. You're not going to, God bless you, I love you. No, it's not going to sound like that. That's why I'm asking some of you, how many of you are tired right now? How many of you are trying to find a new strategy? You're trying to doubt your own strength. You're trying to doubt your own smarts and everything. Like, why are you letting these desires, whatever it may be, just run you around in circles, letting all the things you watch in the world, all these people, everything? Are you tired? Don't let the wicked have a chance because you're tired. Don't give up your playing field because you're tired. You're tired of waiting. I'm tired of doing this. Rest. Relax. Everything is going to be okay. This is why you need faith. This is why you need to believe. You already have results of what you've invested in with yourself. You know where you're going. So stop playing. Don't let other stuff tire you out chasing wealth. It says that in Proverbs. You will wear yourself out trying to get rich. You're going to wear yourself out trying to get people to like you. You're going to wear yourself out trying to do all of this stuff, especially when you know where your strengths are at. You know what you're good at. Rest to build up muscle. Each one of us in here, some of us are smarter than others. Some of us are stronger than others, both physically and mentally. And I hope you know it's okay to be you. Different people, different goals, and that's the whole point. My battle isn't going to be your battle. Your battle isn't going to be my battle. You're getting involved in stuff. You're getting stressed out over somebody else's battle. Be yourself. It's straight. To realize I'm strong at this and I'm not strong at that. Relax. So you can be ready to go every day. I'm not telling you take a break. No. But I'm telling you to rest. Relax. You're going to get what you want. You're already on the right path. You know where you're going. You know what happens if you stay disciplined. If you stick to that road, you throw this stone, you know what's going to happen. Don't get distracted. You will reap your harvest of blessings. Don't get tired.